Cut the end of the cable using wire cutters. Loosen the screw on the side of the barrel at the end of the brake shoe with a 4mm Allen wrench. Do not completely remove the screw from the barrel. Remove the backrest from both handles. Press the orange release button and lift the handle up until the handlebar and cable is completely out. Slide the new handlebar cable into the handle tubing to the opening below. Adjust the handlebar to your height preference. Run the cable through the black cable guide. Thread the end of the cable through the bottom tension adjustment screw, through the spring, then through the hole in the brake shoe. Push the brake pad closer to the wheel while pulling down the cable with pliers and keep the barrel in place while tightening. Tighten the screw back into the barrel to lock the cable. Replace the crimp on the end of the cable and squeeze the thin end of the crimp with pliers to attach it. Ensure that the brake is locking correctly by pushing down on the handle brake.